Nedap's sustainable UV lamp driver technology powers the state-of-the-art UV installation at the water treatment plant in Andijk. Decades of innovation have enabled PWN to create excellent drinking water from surface water. PWN developed the world's first ever integrated membrane plant and UV peroxide advanced oxidation plant. So, how does it work? In between hydrogen peroxide is added to the water for the UV peroxide treatment later on. Once the water has passed the pores of the membranes, all suspended matter has been removed. This replaces a conventional coagulation process. As a result, we no longer need to add the thousands of tons of iron chloride and sodium hydroxide, and no metallic-based sludge is produced. With this technology, water treatment becomes more eco-friendly. The water, still containing peroxide, is ready for UV treatment to destroy the pesticides, hormones, and pharmaceuticals that are still in the water. At the same time, bacteria and viruses are inactivated. The membrane processes have made the raw water very clear. This has a positive effect on the UV peroxide treatment. Its energy consumption is reduced due to removal of natural organic matter and nitrate. The activated carbon filtration completes the water treatment. All oxidized micropollutants are removed, as well as the residual of the peroxide. The water is now ready for distribution, remaining biologically stable without the use of any chemical addition. Right now, the facility in Andijk is producing 120 million litre of drinking water a day.